Hi there traders, welcome back to my channel where I share my trading journey and help you become a successful trader. Today, I want to talk about one of the biggest struggles that I faced when I first started trading. I had very little self-control and I couldn't resist the temptation to overtrade and over-leverage. If you're in your first years of trading, then you're probably facing the same issues. So, I want to reveal the several tweaks that I've made to save my trading. So, like, subscribe, and stick around for the full video. Trading against the trend. One of the biggest mistakes that I made was taking far too many trades against a powerful price move. I've lost far more money on these trades than I have made. The danger of these seemingly attractive prices is an important law of trading: continuation is more likely than change. Trading against the trend misdirects your focus, and as a result, you'll miss many entry points for profitable trades in the direction of the main trend. It also has a tendency to be addictive, and when a trade goes against you, you'll feel tempted to try again and trade even more. So, my advice to you is to never add to a loser if it is against the trend. Your time span and patience. When you trade, you need to know what the time span you will most often act upon. If you're a short-term trader, then you need to adjust your trading style accordingly, and if you're a swing trader, then you need to use a strategy that capitalizes on these tendencies. You also need to know your patience level. If you know you're patient, then you'll be able to endure the inevitable fluctuations in your swing trades. If you know you're impatient, then you'll end up trading shorter time frames, which will require more intense concentration. Become a market specialist. The first decision to make when designing your strategy is to decide which currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, or stocks you will be trading. Not all strategies will work on every market. It's better to become a market specialist and focus on one market. You'll understand the market better, know the factors that affect it, and have a solid strategy for different phases of the market. Weekly maximum drawdown. Do you have a weekly maximum drawdown? You should. This is the amount you're willing to lose over a period of time. An easy way to measure the maximum drawdown is to look at it during one trading week. This will help you avoid overtrading and keep your losses under control. I hope that these tips help you overcome your biggest struggles in trading and become a successful trader. Remember, trading against the trend will misdirect your focus, and you need to know your time span and patience level. Becoming a market specialist and having a weekly maximum drawdown will also help you avoid overtrading. So, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from my trading journey.